Step back in time to the 17th century, an era of grandeur and romance in Indian history. Picture the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, in his profound love, commissioning a mausoleum for his beloved wife, Taj Mahal. This mausoleum, the Taj Mahal, is more than a monument. It's a symbol of India's rich history, a testament to the country's artistic and cultural heritage, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Taj Mahal, a monument of love, has stood the test of time and continues to captivate visitors with its timeless beauty. The Taj Mahal, a testament to architectural brilliance, is more than just a beautiful structure. It's a symphony in white marble, a marvel that embodies perfection in symmetry. Every facet of this iconic monument, from the four slender minarets framing the tomb to the majestic dome at its center, reflects a meticulous eye for detail. The Taj Mahal is a canvas of intricate carvings and exquisite inlay work, with semi-precious stones lending a touch of color against the pure white backdrop. The floral patterns and calligraphic inscriptions that adorn the walls are a testament to the skill of the artisans. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the Taj Mahal's architecture is its changing hues. The white marble it's constructed from possesses an ethereal quality, appearing to change color with the shifting light of day. From the soft pink of dawn to the golden glow of sunset, the Taj Mahal is a visual spectacle that never ceases to mesmerize. The Taj Mahal, with its architectural grandeur, continues to be a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. The Taj Mahal, an epitome of love and architectural brilliance, has been captivating hearts for centuries. Its origin traces back to Emperor Shah Jahan, who built it as a monument of love for his wife. The Taj's unique features, such as the symmetrical layout and intricate carvings, showcase the architectural prowess of the time. The Taj Mahal stands as a timeless symbol of love and architectural grandeur, a testament to India's rich cultural history, and a must-see for all culture curious.